Hi, it's Ashleigh from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop, and welcome back to my channel where we make a lot of cake and cookie decorating tutorials, as well as give a lot of baking business tips. But today for Vlogmas, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to the Peony Lights Festival, and we are going to be experiencing a lot of different food trucks with lots of different sweet treats, but I'm also going to be sharing with you some of the savories that we're going to have as well. So let's get into it. So the main event here is actually to look at lights, but they have a really cool lineup where you can get a lot of your treats beforehand so that you can have those donuts and those treats as you are actually going through the lights. So we'll show you some of those treats first, and then we'll also get into the other things later.
What can I get you tonight?
Could I please get a regular hot chocolate,
Okay.
a peppermint hot chocolate,
Peppermint hot chocolate.
and a hot apple cider?
So that, I believe, is the peppermint hot chocolate.
Oh, yeah, I see the AC on it.
Yeah,
Apple
yeah.
cider. It's all good. Can we just let's get a bucket then?
Yeah.
I'm making the bucket decision.
Cinnamon sugar?
Yes, please.
Beautiful.
It's a mini donut. Classic. I'm sure it's gonna taste like cotton candy. Then we've got buttered popcorn, because my children love buttered popcorn. Fudge, and I was actually going to make fudge on my channel, but
Now we don't have to.
apparently I've got a half pound here, so that'll last quite a while. Okay, let's try this cotton candy. Feels like cotton candy so far. Comment down below if you guys are fans of cotton candy or if it gives you the heebie-jeebies like it does to my brother-in-law.
Yeah.
Cotton candy.
You can't do it.
Can't put my finger on what flavor it is. I'm gonna guess
Pink.
pink.
Pink is the flavor.
So this poutine is from Untitled Poutine. If you've never had a poutine before, it's basically fries, gravy, and cheese curds. This one's a little bit different because it's a vegetarian gravy. It has braised beef, onion, and cheese curds.
Ari, remember what I said?
It's
We're
really
gonna
good.
get all the food, and then we're gonna go over there, okay?
But you really have to like cheese in order to like poutine.
All right, we got a bacon poutine here. I believe it has bacon and gravy and cheese. Oh, yeah. It's like crumbled pizza bacon, and it's very smoky.
This was Rachel's smash burger. She said it was really good, but the bun was a little bit cold because it's kind of cold over here. And that was a hot dog that had mashed potatoes and stuffing in it. And our final food truck stop of the night is this little place that has a bunch of deep fried desserts, which we're going to try at home. I have always wanted to try one of these, but I never got a chance to until now. So I am now back at home. I'm going to try the final things. So here we have some Kitkat Fries. Never heard of those before, but this is more up Sweet Dreams Bake Shop alley. That is so interesting to me. The wafer has become soggy because of the deep frying. It's not unpleasant. It's just bizarre. Like the texture is just very different than what you would expect. The other item here that we have are the deep fried Oreos.
Want chocolate? It's a chocolate bar. Here, have mine. Lennon, you gotta try it. Lennon, I can't play the TV right now.
Again, all of these deep fried things are a little strange because it really messes with the integrity of what was deep fried. So the Oreo itself is quite soggy. However, if you're the type that likes to dip your Oreos in milk, then you probably would enjoy this because it kind of does the same thing to it, except instead of milk, it's deep fried batter and oil. But not bad. Not my favorite, but not bad. So I know that was a little bit of a different video for you guys. I just wanted to take you along on my journey and what I normally do during Christmas time. It's a little bit different because of restrictions, but I would definitely do this as well out of my car. It was a little hard to film some of the stuff. But overall, I had a really great time. I hope you guys enjoyed some of the food that I showed you. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of this beauty fam. Right now, I'm uploading weekly, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I upload. Also, be sure to comment, request, or ask a question. I love hearing from you guys. Bye.